Hey, welcome to AI Tuesday. In today's video, we're going to be speaking about Synthesia Verses HeyGen, unleashing the power of AI avatars. Now, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hi, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to better help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Now, if you don't know what Synthesia and HeyGen are, they literally create AI avatars to be able to put on to your projects, whether it be a YouTube video or whether you're creating something online or something like that, or you're doing training videos or anything of the sort. And you can create them and they have these people who are fake, literally fake people who can be then turned into videos. Now, I created one earlier and they asked me to put images into it, and all the images I had were me smiling with that kind of smile. Now, when I go in here, I'll click on this one and we'll find the video and have a look at how bad this is. But this is just done from an image or a photo, not from an actual video. So if it's from a video, I would assume it would be a bit better. So let's have a quick watch of this. As I sail the seven seas, I find myself looking out at the ocean and thinking, what a beautiful sight this really is. As you can see, that's crap. It's not good at all. So maybe I would suggest that if you are going to be supplying some images to them, show some with the mouth open, like that, and others with the lips closed. And also some without being smiling and so forth. You just make it so that it's got more variety to be able to choose from. So that is from the Synthesia image generator, the selfie one. So let's go back over here and we'll have a quick look at how this is going to be going. So you can have a look and see what it's like. Testimonials by the looks of it. Now let's have a look at some examples of what this looks like. Let's have a look at this one here.
Welcome to Effective Communication, key to both personal and professional success. In this course, we will focus on 3 core skills that are crucial for effective communication in any setting. First, clarity means being direct and understandable, so your audience can easily get the main ideas.
Okay, so I'm not going to go any further than that. They're actually pretty good, but they also create the video in such a way that it gives you other backgrounds and other images as well. And for example, with me, I had other ones, you can have other images and other backgrounds and so forth that they will include in it, which is pretty good. Which is kind of nice. Now, a lot of the times, and of course this is not a real person, this is obviously a video of a real person, but not a real person. And they've created a avatar out of this, which is fine. HeyGen does something very, very similar. We'll have a look at the actual internal area of Synthesia. Now you can create a video, but this one's locked, I believe. If I click on here, I can upload my own video. I can go new video, click on that, and I can then upload an actual video, I believe, from my understanding. Or might have to be a paid version for this, but I'm currently on the free version right now. Let's have a look here. No, this one looks like... Okay, we can choose one of these. Okay, let's go this one here. Now remember, I haven't actually uploaded any videos on here yet, so I don't know what that's going to be like. So I don't see anywhere where I can upload. It says create with AI. Let's see what happens there. Create with AI. Any text heavy document into engaging videos in minutes. Upload docs, PowerPoint or PDF files. Turn link into videos to create videos from blogs, posts. Apply your colors. No, that's not good. Okay, we're not going to do that one. I can't quite figure out how to add a video in here. Let's go to avatars. Maybe it has it in here. Avatar builder. Add your logos, colors, okay. Personal avatar, record yourself. Here we go. This is what you need to do. Record yourself at home or anywhere in minutes. I've got 0 minutes remaining, so I'm guessing that where I had actually uploaded my images had taken up all my space and I can't add any more. So let's have a quick look at the pricing, shall we? They do have a free version as well you can sign up to. You have a free space, which is what I did. So you get free, no credit card, one editor, 3 minutes of videos per month. So it's only 3 minutes of videos, not even anything more than that. And 9 AI avatars. So you don't get a huge range of avatars here in the free version, which is the one I'm currently on. The starter kit, which is $18 a month. Build or pay, this is one is billed yearly, which is, and if you paid monthly, it ends up becoming $29 a month. So let's have a look at build. Okay, so you got here, download your videos, AI video assistant, 140 languages, remove Synthesia logo. This comes with the, as you can see, this comes with the watermark. In a place it's really hard to get rid of, so I would suggest, yeah, pay for it if you want to. Let's quickly have a look at the pricing again. Remove Synthesia logo, 1 editor and 3 guests, 10 minutes of videos per month. That's not a lot of videos per month. That's hardly any, really. You got 125 Synthesia AI avatars and chat email support. So the fact that you only get 10 minutes of video per month really limits the value of this, I think. And from what I can see, the video quality is probably as good, if not similar to HeyGen. Now let's have a quick look at HeyGen. I've created quite a few videos on HeyGen now, and I want to have a quick look at one of these ones here. This one here, let's have a quick listen and watch this one. And you'll see what I'm talking about. This is just one of me specifically. Now the voice will be a bit different, as I always seem to have a little bit of an American twang to it. So let's have a quick listen to this.
Let's dive into today's topic. The PLR licensing trap. Why most people get it wrong. When it comes to PLR products, there's one major issue that so many people overlook. They assume they can treat all licenses the same, which is where the trap lies. People think that as long as it says resale or rights, they can edit and tweak the product however they want.
Okay, I'm not going to go into any more detail with that. So as you can see, I'm just sitting there talking and so forth, and it actually sounds like me. So that was a video that I actually was able to upload onto there, and I was able to have it go create this video for me, which is great. Now let's go and have a look at the pricing. Now, of course, you get your free area as well. But you create 3 videos per month, videos up to 3 minutes long each. Exports to 720p. Custom video avatar, so you can put one of your video avatars in there. 500 stock avatar looks. AI trust safety. Share export videos. And standard video processing. For $29 a month, which I think works out to be about, okay, if we do yearly, $24 a month, or $288 a year. Create unlimited videos up to 5 minutes. Export up to 1080, which is the one, this is the one I'm on, by the way. Actually, this is the one I'm on, $29 a month. Everything in free, watermark removed, fast video processing, brand kit, and brand voices. So let's go and have a quick look over here again. We'll get rid of that. We'll have a look at other avatars. One of the best things about HeyGen is you get unlimited downloads. So you can create as many of these as you want, as often as you want, for up to 5 minutes long, if you're doing this one. And I'll leave links for these down in the description down below, by the way. So you can have a look at the types of things you can do. And as I said, it's unlimited amount of times you can create a 5-minute video. So if you put 5 minutes worth of text in there, you can literally have it create, say, 10-minute video, 15-minute video, 20-minute video, half-hour video, 1 hour long video, and you just butt them all together. Every 5 minutes, you just butt them all together to create whatever length you want to be able to create. And these are literally create unlimited videos. Unlike Synthesia, where they expect you to get 120 minutes, no, not even that, 10 minutes of video per month. And this is unlimited videos per month. I think the value is pretty obvious just from that alone. Alright, well, I'm not going to go into any more detail about this. You can make up your own mind as to which one you think will be a better way to go.
You can easily create fun, high-quality videos using our AI avatars and voices. In just a few clicks, you can generate custom videos for social media, presentations, education, and more. Hey there!
As you can see, that's as good a quality as what you would get in Synthesia. And sounds just as good. And I think the quality is equal to Synthesia, but you get way more value from HeyGen. So I'm not going to go any further into this than that, but I do believe that HeyGen is far better value and I think is worth more to you than what Synthesia can do. You could literally create an entire course using HeyGen, but you can't do that using Synthesia because Synthesia only allows you to create 10 minutes of video at a time on the lower price plan, and only 30 minutes of video per month if you go to $89 a month, and if you pay yearly $64 a month. And you'll find that you get unlimited video minutes if you do the enterprise one, which I imagine would cost an arm and a leg. If $64 a month, you only get 30 minutes of videos. Oh, sorry, 360 minutes of videos per year, which is hardly anything. So to be quite honest, I personally believe that HeyGen is a much better value, especially considering you can make as many videos as you want. You can put them in a video editor and butt them together to make a very long video if you want. So that is Synthesia versus HeyGen. As I said, let me know down below what you think of the difference between these two and which one you think would be a better one out of those two. Alright guys, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? And also, leave a comment down below and let me know which one you prefer, whether it's Synthesia or HeyGen. I personally prefer HeyGen, but you might have a different opinion. And let me know what it is down below. Also, to let you know, that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here, well, that's an image of my head. And if you click on that, you will be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.